These are your 3-1 notes. Parallel lines are two coplanar lines. So that means two lines that are on the same plane that never intersect or touch. I-N-T-E-R-S-E. That never intersect or touch. We use arrows used to indicate that the lines are parallel. So these two arrows right here show me that those two lines are parallel. And the notation would be line AB is parallel to line CD. So we need to remember that that means parallel. Parallel planes are two planes that never intersect. They never touch, so we would write plane J is parallel to plane K. Now we are going to talk about skew lines. Skew lines are two non-coplanar lines that never intersect. What that means is they never touch, but they are also not parallel. Okay, so if I wanted to talk about PS is right here. I need a line. First let's talk about parallel lines. This one's parallel, that one's parallel, and that one's parallel. Those are parallel. I need the line that's not parallel and not touching. So let's figure out the lines that are touching PS. That touches it, and that touches it. So those cannot, any of the ones we've marked so far. So what would a skew line be for that? Well, it's one that, oh, I got one more that's touching over here. I missed it. Two more. Those guys are touching. Okay, so skew lines are the ones that aren't touching and aren't parallel. So that one doesn't touch and is not parallel. That one doesn't touch and is not parallel. The same with these guys back here. So I can put any one of those for the answer. I'm just going to put TU. All right. So what if I said TW? So TW is here. So any of the parallel ones would be these guys. Any of the touching would be these guys. So it's what's left would be your skew lines. So it could be PO, UQ, VR, or SR. You could put any of those. I'm going to put VR. All right, the last one I want to look at is PT. Let's see, PT is here. A skew line for PT, let's say WV. It's not touching and it's not parallel. All right, so now we're going to practice all the stuff we've talked about. Name all segments parallel to AE. AE's right here. All the ones parallel would be DH. There's 3 of them. FB. And GC. All right, 2 examples of parallel planes. So I want to use plane ABF. So it's this front piece right here. So what plane is parallel to ABF? Well, it's this backside plane. Those guys are parallel planes. So I just picked 3 of those letters, H, G, C. Okay, the other plane I want to talk about, plane ADH. Mark plane ADH. That's ADH. The plane parallel to that one would be this other side. And we just pick 3 letters. I'm going to say FGC. All the segments skew to GH. GH.
Only locals, pretty much. I mean, everyone near me saw it.
GH is back there. So there are 4 of these that are skew, meaning they're not touching, but they're not parallel. AD would be one of them. BC would be another one. FB would be one. And EA. All right, on this one, we're going to name all the segments parallel to JK. Well, there's actually only one that's parallel, and that would be OP. Name all the segments parallel to NS. Well, there's 4 of those. MR, LQ, KP, and OJ. All right, the next one says, name all the planes parallel to JKL. Well, it's this back plane. Well, there's only one, and it'd be this other back side right there. So we just pick 3 letters, plane SRQ. All right, last one. Name 4 lines that are skewed to RQ. So RQ is right there. Skew means not parallel and never touching. So we could say JO is not parallel and never touching. JK is not parallel and never touching. JN is not parallel and never touching. And KP. All right, take these notes. When you're done, I need you to do geometry. D1 on IXL, get 70%. Thank you.